Worried your Yahoo account will get hacked? I'll show you exactly how to turn on two-step verification in under 2 minutes. We'll go through the settings menu step by step. First, sign in to your Yahoo account. So let's start where you always start. Head over to your Yahoo account and sign in. This is the same login you use for your email, for Flickr, for Yahoo Finance. All of it. Just type in your email address and password like you normally would. And once you're in, we can start adding that extra layer of protection. Now look up to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. It's usually your initial or a little avatar. Go ahead and click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear. This is kind of the command center for your whole account. From that drop-down, you want to select Account Info. This is where all the major settings live, like your personal details, billing information, and, most importantly, your security controls. Click that, and it'll open up a new page or a larger panel. Now on this page, find the section labeled Account Security. It's usually one of the main tabs listed along the side or right near the top. Click into that. This is the Security Hub, the place where you can change your password, manage recovery options, and, of course, turn on the feature we're here for. And here's the really important part. Right there, you should see an option that says two-step verification. The toggle next to it will probably be set to off. Go ahead and turn that toggle on. I've walked through this exact process a bunch of times, and Yahoo will prompt you to start the setup. It might ask you to re-enter your password just to make sure it's really you. That's normal. Next, it'll ask for your mobile phone number. This is the phone that will receive a code every time you or someone else tries to log in. Make sure you use a phone you actually have on you, not a landline, not an old number you don't check. Type in your number carefully. Double-check the digits. Once you enter your number, Yahoo will send a verification code to that phone via text message. It usually arrives within a few seconds. Check your phone, grab that code, and type it into the box on the screen. If you don't get the code right away, there's usually a button to resend it. Just be patient for a moment. After you enter the correct code, Yahoo will walk you through a few more on-screen instructions. And here's a tip I always share. Read these prompts carefully. They might ask if you want to set up an app password or add a backup method like an authenticator app. I'd strongly recommend adding a backup option. That way, if you lose your phone, you won't get locked out of your own account. It's a little extra peace of mind. Now, once you've completed all the steps, go back to your account security page. You should see that two-step verification is now showing as on. That green indicator or status update is your confirmation that everything is working. From this moment on, your account has that extra shield. And that's it, really. You've gone from feeling vulnerable about your account to having a solid, active defense against hackers. It took a couple of minutes, but now every time someone tries to log in from an unrecognized device, you'll get a text. And you'll know you're in control.